Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome to TRICENTIS Tosca automation tutorial. So this is our lesson 13 as part of our advanced training, and this is our lesson 28 as part of our overall TRICENTIS Tosca automation training. So as you all know, I already published part 1 of conditional statements and loops, where I have taught you about if then else conditions. How can we use if then else conditions in TRICENTIS Tosca while automating your test cases? So this is our part 2 of conditional statements and loops. In this lesson, you will learn how can we use do statements while automating your test cases. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You will receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Thank you. So first of all, let us understand what is do conditional statement. So when you create do statements, Tosca will automatically create two objects. The first object is a loop object along with the second object called condition object. So test steps within the loop object, whatever you define, are run repeatedly until the condition is no longer fulfilled. So the result of the repetition is thus a negative. So do statements contain the property called maximum repetitions in order to avoid infinite loops. So the value column shows the maximum number of attempts for a test steps to be run. So the default value is set as 30. And let us see the order of our conditions. So order is like this. First, you will have a do condition and then loop condition within the do statement, and then you will have a condition within the do statement. Okay, this is the order. So now let us jump onto the system and automate one of the test case or scenario by using do conditional statements. So let me jump onto my TRICENTIS Tosca. So this is my TRICENTIS Tosca, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one new folder and I'm going to name this as shopping cart. Okay, I'm going to name this as shopping cart. And let us first create one test case within this folder. I'm going to say empty shopping cart, empty shopping cart. Okay, I'm going to name this as empty shopping cart. So now let us first understand what is the scenario that we are going to automate. Okay, so let us first understand. So this is my shopping cart. Okay, in shopping cart I have total 4 different items. Okay, if you see, the shopping cart is not empty, it has an existing items. So now I want to empty this shopping cart before I start my test case execution. Whenever I log in, I want to make sure that the shopping cart is empty. For that, first you need to read number of items in the shopping cart, and then you need to check the item that you want to delete. See, first I'm going to check the first item and then update shopping cart. And then again I'm going to select second item, update shopping cart. So basically we are removing it. So remove this and update shopping cart. If you have items here in the shopping cart again, yes, and then check it and then update shopping cart. So we are going to perform this action until the shopping cart is empty. Correct? So that is what I want to automate. First, I want to empty the shopping cart if the items are present. If the items are not present, then you need to come out. Okay, so let's make sure we add couple of items. Okay, let me add this blue jeans and let me also add this as well into the cart, and then I'm gonna add my this one belt, and also I'm gonna add a shoe. Okay, So I'm just making sure the shopping cart has some items. Okay, now I have items. So let us go back to our TRICENTIS Tosca. So to empty the shopping cart, what is our first step? Our first step is you need to go to your shopping cart. You need to click on shopping cart. Okay, let's go here. For that, I want to insert a step called top menu. So I already covered all these. We already captured all the modules that are required in our previous sessions, right? So I'm calling top menu module, right? And here I want to click on shopping cart, right? So let us just put it as X. Okay, done. Once I click on shopping cart, and then I'll perform emptying the shopping cart operation by using do statement. Later what I have to do, I have to click on logout. Okay, now emptying shopping cart by using do statement I'll insert later. Okay, after that you're gonna do logout. Let's do logout. Okay, for that again you need to call top menu, correct? Top menu, and then here this time you need to click on logout, and then you need to close the browser, right? So for that again you can use the standard module, close browser standard module, right? And then I'm going to name this as demo star. Okay, done. So now, so let us go back to our shopping cart. So once I come to shopping cart, now I need to read the web table, this product table, right? And then check the item. If this product, I mean, if the shopping cart has a product table, then you need to remove all these items. Okay, first let us insert the do statement. Okay, how can you insert do statement? Right click on your test case, and if you see here, create if statement, I already explained you in my previous session. So this is our part 2 where I'm going to start with create do statement, and then next part 3 we'll have where I'm going to explain about while statements. Okay, so as part of part 2, let's select create do statement. Okay, and I want to bring this here. As soon as I come to shopping cart, now I come to shopping cart, let's expand this and let us go to do statement. Okay, once I come to shopping cart, I need to remove the existing items, correct? What I want to do, first you are going to define the loop. What do you want to do and how many number of times, correct? So loop, under loop, now I want to insert shopping cart. I'm going to take my shopping cart module under loop, and here expand this product cart table. What is this one? This is your table. This is your web table, right? This entire web table. So go to your web table, expand row, right? What I'm going to do, I have to define, first I want to make this as my first row. I want to go for the first row. Anytime $1. That means I am instructing to go to the table and check for the first row. Okay, $1. And once you check the first row, I want to select the column. What is the column? This is remove column. This is products column, price, quantity. So I want to select product column, sorry, remove column. Okay, once I select the remove column, I don't want to verify this. I want to select this. Okay, select the column. Once I select the column, you can see there is a checkbox in this column, correct? This is my remove checkbox, right? So this checkbox, I want to check this checkbox. So that's why I'm going to select it as true. I want to check the checkbox. And then once I check the checkbox, I want to click on update shopping cart. This one, update shopping cart, so that that item will be removed. Check the box and then update shopping cart. So here, this is my update shopping cart button. Click on this update shopping cart button. So as soon as it lands onto shopping cart, first it deletes first item and clicks on update shopping cart. And now, but this deletion should happen how many times? until the condition, it meets the condition called the shopping cart table does not exist. This table should be empty, right? So now let us define condition. Again for the condition, see, I place the cursor, right click here on the condition, click on add test step. Here again I want to add the test step called shopping cart. Okay, and this time what is the condition I want to keep? I want to remove the items until my shopping cart is visible, my shopping cart table is visible. So now I'm going to make, this is my shopping cart table. I'll say exist is true equal to true. Verify. I want to verify if, what is the condition? Do whatever I specified here, remove the items from the shopping cart if this shopping cart table exists. If this shopping cart table becomes empty, this table will not be existing. So then what it will do? It comes out of the loop. So basically the last condition will be false. That's why it's not going to perform this loop. Right? So done. So if you say, let's go back here again. So we have completed defining everything. First we are logging into shopping cart. And then I'm directly removing my first item from the table because it's a do statement. Do statement is the action will be performed at least once. First it performs the action and then it checks the condition and then again goes back. If the condition meets, it goes back to do the perform the same action one more time and again checks the condition. If the condition meets, if that exists, the product, shopping cart products table exists, again comes back here, removes the item. Again checks the condition. If the condition does not meet, then it comes out of the loop. Okay, so that is done, condition is done, and then once comes out of the loop, then it's gonna log out and then close the browser. Okay, so we have completed our automation. So now let us run this and see how it works. Okay, let's go back here. I want to uncheck this. I want to be in shopping cart. Sorry, let's say I want to on demo web shop. Okay, so now let's run this. First it should go to shopping cart. Okay, right click and run. See what happens. First it should click on shopping cart and then it should remove first item. It should remove first item. It's clicked. So now it should remove blue jeans. See, updated. Now it's going to check if the table exists and then it's removing. Table exists and then it found, removed. Now table does not exist. So it logs out and it closes the browser. See, done. Let's see our test results. Okay, let us understand the test results now. So let us understand the test results. If you see here, do statement. Let us go to do statement. If you see, first what it did, it directly removed the shopping cart, item. Once it removes the shopping item, it is checking if the condition, if the shopping cart product table exists or not. So let us see here. Let us expand this. First it found, yes, this table exists. So in the same way, second condition and last one, when it removed our fourth shopping cart item, right? It removed, but it checked the condition. In this case, it should fail. So here, is the shopping cart product table exist? Expected is true, but actually is false. That means it does not exist. So it came out of do statement and immediately logged out. And then it closed the browser. That's it. So hope you all understand the concept of do statements, how can we use the do statements in TRICENTIS Tosca while automating your test cases. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon, you'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Thank you.